Hey guys, are you ready to get down like some farm animals? Because today we're going to be playing slot machines that have to do with animals.
Yeah.
Farm animals in particular though. So I don't want no buffalo in here. Because, I mean, technically, do people raise buffaloes?
Yes, I think so, actually.
Oh gosh, I guess we're going to have some buffalo. But first, we're starting off on Chicken Fox. Never saw this game before. I don't think we've ever seen it before. But look how ugly that pig is.
No, that goat is an idiot.
But that pig just looks so funny. But let's see if this funny looking goat or that funny looking pig can deliver for us, all right? So minimum bet's 30 cents, super low, right?
Yeah, it is.
And the max bet's only, what, $3?
I'm gonna play around with the bets if you want to. Oh!
Wild Betty over here. I don't know why I call her Betty, but that's just what she looks like.
If you want to keep track of my bets, you can see it right over here.
Nice and large and in charge. So let's see what we can do with $100 today.
Ooh.
Oh, they have dollar values on them.
Cool.
If you get line hits with those.
Yeah.
That's a $7.
Wild!
Oh,
There's the goat.
you got the
Oh,
goat.
there's the fox and the chicken.
You won $7.50. Didn't you say $7.50?
Did it?
I think you did.
Oh my gosh, yes.
No, wait, $9.90. What?
Awesome.
I don't know if we're gonna play any other games, guys. If this one delivers, we might stay here.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh, we won 3 of those, I'm assuming.
Let's actually pull up the game help. Let's see. So wilds are. Oh my gosh, you get 5 wilds. Pays $50. All right, how do we go to the next screen? You see the button over to. Oh, here it is. We want the wild.
Okay.
I'm just trying to find the bonus symbol. Chicken Fox. Okay, the bonus comes on 3, 4, or 5.
Okay.
No, if you get 3 of them, you get 8 games. You get 4, you get 15. You want to get 5 of
Oh
them.
my gosh, we want as many golden eggs as possible.
Yeah, but you want at least 3. Oh, it says up top as well.
Oh, okay.
She's doing 90 cents now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
you can still get them.
$2.50.
Oh, 75 cents.
Yay.
Oh, you're doing $1.50. Yes,
Oh,
one
come on,
more.
please.
One more, please. Yes. What the heck was that? Why did it turn into lightning?
Oh my god.
Those poor animals are gonna get electrocuted.
I got $2.50 just for getting that.
Oh heck, it's on the $1.50, Chris. All right, so you've won 8 free games. You want to get the file because it catches something.
Okay.
For prizes and free games. All right, Chris, whenever you are ready, you better get some of these wild animals.
Let's do it.
Oh, there's a chicken up top.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yes? Is it gonna catch that?
I don't know.
I think it catches all those. Yes, you just got $7.50.
No, wait.
Plus that, you got $10.
I got just eating them.
No, it's catching their money. It's not eating them.
Oh, they look scared.
You got $10 for that on the first one. Well, wouldn't you be scared if you're a chicken and then a fox comes in your hen house?
Chickens have been known to be scaredy cats.
Oh, we didn't get it. What does that do?
Oh,
So we have to get the fox.
come on. Oh,
I think. I don't even know what's going on here.
whoa.
Yeah. So we got the 625. So what is that chicken? What's going to hatch?
What's that?
2 free games.
Okay,
2 FGs. 2 field goals. Yes, 625 on that.
Keep it coming.
I mean, we might stay on this game. I don't know. I'm
I know.
just suggesting that. I don't know.
Delivering.
Oh, come on. We have to
We
get a
have 5
fox.
more games remaining.
What happens if we get a fox on this side of the money?
Oh.
Yes, that's good. Oh, what's on there?
Come on.
Okay, 375. 1250. And a 250. Oh my gosh, I love this. 1875 on that one.
Keep the wings coming.
Oh man, I like the fox. That fox needs to get into that hen house.
3 more games.
No, we need to get more free games.
Get more.
So the eggs will always have more free games in it.
Okay.
It says up top right there.
Oh, no fox.
Oh, is that last one? No, we have one more.
One more.
Here we go. Come on, fox.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh my
50.
gosh, look at that.
That's a 50. Oh, look, it's chasing it. It's like, get back here. I want to eat you. That was a $37.50 win, Chris.
So far, so good. I like it.
This is the first time I've ever seen this game, Chicken Fox.
Yeah.
That has like a lightning bolt for whatever reason.
Awesome.
We're at 141?
Yeah.
Right when you went up to $1.50 bet too. Do it again, please.
Oh.
Oh, you got something. $2.
Whoop, whoop.
Forget-
If you want to ride on a big green tractor.
What the heck?
It's a green tractor.
It was. You are right. 20 cents. But forget going to Buffalo. Oh. Did you get those dollars? Oh, you didn't get the dollar. Why didn't you get the dollar amounts?
No.
Well, why not?
I don't know.
Because I gave them to you earlier. Didn't it? Maybe it didn't. I thought it did. $20 up there. Oh my gosh. We have to get that rooster. The rooster's always worth a lot.
Gonna do a few 30 cents.
All right. Hey, 35 cents. Pigs are actually not that
Look at
bad.
it, she gets booty. Ooh.
So how do we get those values with the dollars?
Okay, the fox can't come out in this, right? You have to
I don't
actually
know.
get the bonus eggs.
Maybe? Well, I guess we'll find out eventually. Oh, rapid fire to 30 cents.
Yeah.
Come on, give us the bonus again. It's teasing it on that first one. 10 cents.
Come on, golden eggs. Oh, wild.
Hey, 70 cents.
Hey.
You want to try and do something crazy and a couple max bet?
Oh, wait, max bet's only $3.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Since we're up right this second, you know?
Yeah.
But not too many, please.
Yeah, not too many.
Oh gosh, this is terrible. Oh my
wait,
gosh.
We have 3 chances.
Oh please, on max
Do
bet.
it. Last one.
On the max bet. Oh my god, you got $5 for that, Chris.
Oh.
Max bet bonus, guys.
Heck yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, so what is this? Why is there a double one there?
What
Oh,
does it say?
maybe it's saying it can catch the ones on this side.
It says times
No.
2.
Oh, that's a multiplier.
Oh, I hope we get that.
Oh, please. So we have what? 8 games right now.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look at the
Oh
volume.
gosh.
Hey, where the fox
Oh,
is at?
3 games. Oh no, we have to go. Oh, here it
Okay, we
is.
got something.
Come on. Come on.
Please.
$5? Oh no, it's not gonna do it, is it? Yes, $20.
Yeah.
We still have 5 free games, guys. Max bet for the win.
Heck yeah.
I love farm animals. I tell Crystal she's a monkey all the time. It's not quite a farm animal,
That's a farm animal.
but come on. What happened? I want to see what happened. Oh, yes. What did we get?
It better
Come on.
get something.
Yes,
Oh,
15.
No more.
Oh, more. Oh, 15. That's all right.
Alright.
But I still want to see what happens if you get a fox on this side. I want to find out.
I want to get the multiplier box.
Oh, we haven't even seen it yet. We're on max bet.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more games, guys. Can we make this go up to $60? Yes. Get the rooster. Rooster.
Yes, the roosters have a good value.
Rooster.
Okay, 750, and we have 1 more free game.
How much do you think we're gonna get?
I think that one's not gonna be anything.
Nothing.
The last
No.
one's not gonna be
We're gonna make it to $60 here.
Okay.
Here we go. Last one. Please.
No.
Oh, $47.50 though.
Hey.
Max bet came in and said, "Here you go. Here's some money."
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to keep doing max
Awesome.
bet.
I'm gonna switch around with
Okay.
this.
All right, we're doing $1.50.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Actually, guys, I don't know if we're gonna play any other games because this one is doing very well for us.
Unless we have like a little dry spell. Hopefully not though.
Yeah, you never know. Look at that $50
Yeah,
rooster.
the rooster's worth the most.
It's like $50. It's been $50 like every time. Oh, because you're on $1.50.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's worth $50 no matter what on $1.50s. Yeah, there's 50 again. If you're wondering what I'm saying, there's a number right beneath it.
Yeah.
It says like a dollar amount.
It went down to 90 cents.
All right.
Oh, we got the pigs.
For $1.05.
Yay.
Didn't get anything there. Maybe to get those dollar amounts, you have to get the same exact symbol
Oh,
to line up.
perhaps. The rooster's $30 on the 90 cent bet.
Okay, so it must start at $10
I'm gonna do a $3 one.
for 30
Next
cents.
bet.
Oh gosh,
$1.
she's maxing it, guys. Oh, make it pay off.
Come on.
Oh, yeah. So the wild substitutes for everything but the bonus gold egg.
Yeah.
Oh, you're still maxing it in case you're not aware.
Yeah. Come on. Alright, let's go down to 90 cents.
Wow, it's starting to do the dry thing we were talking about.
I know. I'm gonna play around with the bets.
Hey, 15 cents.
30 cents.
Yeah, let's see how much we can get out of 30 cents, right?
Yeah.
Well, we got 30 cents for that.
For the goats.
So we got the bonus on the $1.50 and the $3, right?
Yeah. Alright. Hey, the pig.
Hey, 70 cents. Hey, look, another chicken. I don't know why a chicken came out. We got the pig. cents for that.
Cool.
Let's go up to 60 cents.
All right. Nothing there.
Ooh. Oh, nothing there. Hey, we got the goats.
60 cents paid for your bet.
All right, we got a free spin out of that.
Nothing.
If we don't get anything by 1:30, maybe we should go to another game.
Okay. We do a 90-cent one.
Oh, get the pigs
Yes.
for $1.05.
Ooh.
I like this game though.
Me too.
I mean, I like all games whenever I'm getting bonuses.
Oh,
Oh,
my God.
queens. Oh, we got a lot of stuff. 420.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
This game does not want us to leave, and I don't want to leave either.
Hey.
Yes. Oh, I saw it go by.
Man.
$1.05.
Hey, I'm happy about that, but I was hoping for the bonuses.
Hey, we haven't had the bonus on the 90 cents yet.
Yeah.
Queens. Oh,
Yeah, the
pigs.
piggies.
$3.75.
Woo. Keeping us in it.
Hey, you know what game we can always play?
What?
Farmville.
Oh my God.
Speaking of farm animals, that's
Yeah.
literally a farm game. $1.05.
Yeah, shake your little booty.
Ooh, like, see, I think if you would have had the wild right there, it would have gotten those.
Oh, okay. Oh, 2 bonus eggs.
Give us a 3 again. Oh, 2 again.
To 60 cents.
Hey, you got something.
10 cents.
I got the Jags. Oh, I just noticed the king actually has like the ribbon like it's in a contest.
Yeah.
Like it's a show animal.
Oh. Oh
Okay.
man, I got happy about that bonus.
Crystal
egg.
sounded like she was a chicken for a second there.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I did sound like that. Oh yay!
Well, you are a self-proclaimed $3. Okay, I won't say that when you're a self-proclaimed, Chris. I saw that look that you gave me out of your side eye.
Whatever.
Oh man.
Oh,
Slightly different chickens.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
it's the
Nothing there?
rooster. I want the rooster. I do a 30-cent one.
Give us something. I will take anything. All right, there we go, 20 cents.
All right. Woo.
Oh, while you're doing 30 cents?
Yeah.
I was wondering, I was like, why did she rapid fire that?
A go.
Hey, free spin. Let's try 60 cents. Oh, we have to get that rooster at least once.
Oh my gosh.
Although at this point, I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, 90 cents.
Okay.
Why did we get? So I guess those all match up with each other somehow. Because they're all chickens.
Yeah.
But you want to get them all the same, I think, to get the dollar value.
Okay.
Oh, we have $6. Come on, give us some more money, please. 10 cents.
Oh man, too bad we didn't get another rooster
Right.
or another chicken thing.
Another hen.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing. Ooh, on the first one. Come on, here we go, right here. Oh, yes, 30 cents.
Okay. Bumped it up to 90 cents.
Give us the bonus. Give us a bonus. Oh no, we're down to $1.15. And then we gotta play another farm game.
Okay.
Bring on the farm animals. Oh, well, I guess we can do it 30 cents, right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go, 30 cents. Give us something.
Miles with the 10.
Oh, we already got, hey, look, it's like it wants us to go play something else now. All right, we're at Farmville. This is the normal version. We have played the other version, but this is like the standard Farmville. We have $130 loaded in because that's what we ended at. 1 cent denomination. Oh, we gotta confirm.
Oh, you have to confirm it. Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Oh,
I'm
the
ready.
little piggies and the cows.
Yeah, so I don't know what other games we would play besides this one.
Yeah.
Turn that volume up. Hey, it vibrated the seat a little bit.
Bonus.
All right, so from past experience, I believe the cows and the horses are the best.
Yeah.
We're doing 75-cent bets. This goes all the way up to $3.75 as the max bet.
Alright.
Ooh, have we ever done max bet on this game? I don't know if we have.
Yeah, I don't think so.
This one's ooh, we have to get 6 of those. 6 pumpkins, and then it does the lock feature.
Alright. Whoa!
Oh, not enough.
Give us all the pumpkins.
More pumpkins.
I'm obsessed with this little piggy. So adorable.
Yeah, they all have those really big eyes.
Yeah.
I know you like those eyes.
Oh,
Oh, we were one wheel bonus away.
I really hope we can get a feature. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Farmville is one of those games. It's like, it's. Oh yes, we got it. And a 225 one.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. So select which ribbon we're going for, Chris.
Alright.
We want the blue.
Oh, I got the yellow.
Oh, okay. I guess there's no blues available here.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 18 Mighty Cash spins. So what we want to do is we want to fill. You go ahead. Yeah, we want to fill all these plots with pumpkins. Okay. If we can do that, it multiplies all the values times 2, and that's what we want to happen. Then we gotta go to round 2.
Alright.
So you got 30 cents there.
Come on.
Oh, we have 16 spins left.
Give us some more pumpkins.
We only have
Oh,
4
yeah.
more. 15.
Come on.
Oh, you only need 3 more. Oh, come on. We have 14 spins. The farm animals love us today. Oh yes, we have to be able to get this at 13 spins.
Oh.
Oh yes,
Okay.
one more.
One more plot. I
Come
hope
on.
we can get it because we have 11 spins left.
You better grow that pumpkin. Oh gosh.
Come on.
Grow, 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 grow. Everybody chant it at home. Grow, 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 grow. No, no.
Start it.
Grow, grow, grow. Oh my gosh, if we go to the last spin, I'm gonna be so mad.
No.
Grow. No.
You dumb pumpkin.
Come on, pumpkin.
No.
Is this
my
serious?
gosh, 6 spins left.
How many spins are we gonna go trying to grow? Wow. So we have 4 left. It's gonna take all of these.
This is a tough harvest on the farm.
Yeah, we need some rain or something.
Oh my gosh, 3 spins left.
This is wasting our spin. No way.
Cannot believe this.
Okay, the farm animals hate us.
Give us 2 times.
Last spin.
You gotta be
Wow.
kidding me.
That was so upsetting. Hey, there goes the little chicken head. Add it up faster and not 780. Okay. It could have been worse. We could have not got a feature, okay?
Yeah.
And that's 10 times our bet right there. Thank you, little jumping chicken head. Appreciate that. All right, so we didn't get the mini though. The mini's 15. So let's go ahead and skip through that. Okay, there we go. 780 puts us back over 130. Ooh, what's that gonna do?
Whoa.
Oh gosh, oh my! It reset to 8.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Okay.
Can we get the what's the other feature on this? Is that the only feature? No, you want the spin. Yeah, we want the wheel bonus. That's what I want to see.
Yeah.
I love a good wheel.
I'm surprised we got the pumpkin feature. I'm happy about that.
Can we get it again?
Oh, too bad that we couldn't fill up all the plots.
I know, that would have been $15 win.
Come on, I want to line it with the cow. Oh, or the pigs. Or the horses. Anything.
You just want to line hit with the animals.
Yeah.
Give us 6 pumpkins. And then give us the green one up there. Hey, you got wilds for a bunch of nothing.
Nothing.
Ooh! Oh, that went so quickly.
It did.
Yes. Oh,
we
they got
needed 2 more
4.
pumpkins.
My button doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't want to.
Oh, my button over here doesn't work.
Aw. Oh,
Wait, what's that? Oh, added a ribbon up there. Okay, so that's at 9 now.
all right.
Come on. Maybe I'm just not hitting it hard enough. Another ribbon.
Okay.
Ooh, it's at 10.
Come on.
More ribbons?
Give us the wheel
No
bonus.
ribbons. I don't even see the wheel, so I don't even know what's on it.
Yeah. Pumpkins.
2 is not enough for the bonus.
Oh, the chicken.
There goes your line hit, $1.50.
Yay.
5 of a kind on the little chicken.
Super cute. Nothing. Oh. I'm gonna throw
Tease
in
us more.
$1.50.
Are you going $1.50s?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple on $1.50.
Ooh. Oh, if that would have paid off
I wish.
on the very first one.
Whoa.
Whoa, we got a $1.50 pumpkin on there though.
I went back down to 75 cents.
I don't know about the Farmville.
I don't know about it either.
Chicken Fox was
Went away.
it was called Chicken Fox, right?
Yeah, Chicken Fox is where it was at.
Definitely a better game.
Yeah.
No!
Oh.
This one's more about the pumpkins, you know, that's why it's not so so much giving as the other farm animals.
Yeah. Nothing.
Ooh,
The wheel bonus doesn't want to come out, really.
it's going to come out. 3 more.
Oh. One away. Man.
Oh,
another
come on,
chicken.
give us a chicken in the first one. Oh, yeah, 75 cents. Hey, free spin.
Awesome.
That is a big one. 225. Oh, what was that?
I rapid fire.
Oh,
Oh, come on.
so early, and yet it didn't give us anything for it.
No. Nothing.
Yes, 3 more.
Oh, my
Oh, not
gosh.
enough.
Those pumpkins have looked promising.
A 225.
Those horses, whoa.
We need to get line hits with the horses in the front.
Yeah. Farmville's not liking us, guys.
Farmville? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, Farmville hates us.
What? I think at 100 I'm gonna stop.
We gotta find another farm game.
Yes.
This one just took our money. At least Chicken
Aw,
Fox gave us some money.
For real, we might need to go back to Chicken Fox, actually.
Hey, we might have to go back. We have a few more spins before 100. And then we have to go find something else.
Oh.
Hey, thank you for the chickens.
Aw.
All right, I have 2 spins left. Last one is gonna give us a wheel bonus. Are you ready?
Okay, ready.
Here it is, wheel bonus.
Oh. Oh.
Nothing. All right, let's go to another one. All right, now we're playing Huff and Puff. And apparently I wasn't recording.
Oops.
We're over here like talking and playing and we're like, wait a second, it's not even recording.
Yeah, so
What did
we're-
we have? We had like 100 and some change, right?
Yeah, so we're down a few dollars.
And we haven't gotten anything. This is just standard Huff and Puff, okay?
Yeah.
So it's not the Huff and More Puff. We're
So-
playing Huff and Puff because it's pigs.
Yeah, it's the pigs and the wolves, that's on a farm. You gotta keep your pig in
Hey!
the wolf.
1440!
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
heck yes, good thing we started recording.
Yeah.
It was my fault, guys. I set the camera up and I thought it was recording and Crystal looks at me like, you little dummy.
He's not recording.
And I was like, what the heck, it wasn't recording. So, hey, we're back where we were supposed to be.
Up, okay.
All right. So, yeah, in this version, for everyone who doesn't know, all you want is the hard hats. We have to get 6 or more hard hats
Yes, get
to
those
get
hard
free
hats.
games.
Oh, we got the cones.
Cones again.
Ooh, come on, hard hats. Oh, we got the wolf is the wild, so.
I like Huff and More Puff better, but I don't know if they have it here.
I'm doing
We didn't really look
$1.50.
around. Hey, look at that. He's wearing the hard hat.
Ooh.
Oh, so many lazy pigs. Oh, nothing there. Come on, lazy pigs. Get to work. Oh, you can get 3 in 1 reel.
Come on, hard hats.
It is possible. The wolf is wild.
Yeah.
Hey, there we go. Lazy pig.
Okay.
80 cents. Yes!
Oh, come on,
I told you you
get
get 3 in 1 reel.
Man. That looks promising, especially since it was in the first reel.
Yes. When you get 3 in that first one and you don't get any more, it's very frustrating.
Yeah. It's like you had all these chances to get
So
these
many.
hard hats.
I know you don't even need 3 in another reel. You just need like 3 just spread out.
Yeah.
That's not so bad. Not asking for too much here, are we? Toolboxes.
Rapid.
Oh, that was a slow rapid.
It was.
A slow delay reaction. Just give us the hard hat and we'll be good and we'll walk away. I promise you we'll walk away if you give us the hard hat. 60 cents. Oh, 80 cents for that. Nothing there.
$1.50?
On the $1.50, please.
No, man.
Oh, let's try one more $1.50.
And the toolbox.
Oh, we got $1.20. I guess we got to do another $1.50.
Yeah.
Aw, that was looking so promising.
Come on, hard hats. Where are you hiding?
The mini bonus is at $10, and the minor's $50. Of course, the grand is like something like $12,000.
Whoa. Oh.
Hey, 30 cents. That's it. For all those cones.
Yeah.
Paul Bunyan. Stop wearing a hard hat, you boss.
Ooh.
cents.
Okay.
We really might have to go back to Chicken Fox.
Yeah, Chicken Fox was doing pretty well for us.
It was giving us money.
Yeah.
These other farm animals hate us. These pigs and the Farmville. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
75 cents for
That
spin.
one actually looks like it lives on a farm with the axe and then the little overalls.
Yeah. Here we go. This is it.
3 more. Darn.
I just want to get the hard hat feature.
Me too.
Hey, lazy
Ooh.
pig, $1.20.
Love the little lazy pig.
Yes. 2 more. Give me some more.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Gotta get some of those mansions and some of the wood houses.
Yeah.
Are we asking for too much here?
Apparently we are.
I don't think we are, but the game thinks so. Lazy.
40 cents. 2.
What?
The hard hats do not want to come out.
You think at 70 we should go back to
Yeah.
Chicken Fox?
Chicken Fox. Let's hope Chicken Fox will treat us good.
Right, we're gonna go back and it's not give us anything.
I know.
No, we got 3 of the 6. 4 of the 6, we're going up. Is 5 of 6 next?
Come on, hard hats. Don't be shy. Come out. 2.
2.
Man.
Okay, we have 2 more spins. Here we
Okay.
go. Wow, last spin.
Let's see what happens.
Oh wait, never mind. We have 1 more spin now.
Okay. Boom.
I think we
Where's
might
the
be going
hard
back.
hats?
Yep, we have to go back to Chicken Fox. All right, we're back at Chicken Fox.
How
We
much
have
Chicken Fox?
$70. Crystal said we're gonna go down to like 50.
Yeah.
Somewhere around 50.
Treat us good, Chicken Fox.
Get us back to 100.
Ooh.
We gave you a little break. Oh, nothing there. Nothing again. This is gonna be the one right here. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh man, nothing again.
Do the 30-cent one.
Oh, you're jumping around?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump around.
All right.
Come on.
Hey, 75 cents.
Okay, that's good. The 60-cent one.
What happened?
The 60
Oh.
cent.
It didn't move. I was like, hey, got the pigs. 70.
Yeah.
Make the money. Oh, we want to get that rooster, I'm telling you.
I know, the rooster. Oh, the goats. You got 4 of them.
Hey, 60 cents.
Okay.
Goats aren't worth that much.
90
That is an ugly goat, though.
It is.
You're right. Oh, 2 of them. $1.20.
Yes.
Oh, you're doing 90 cents now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do $1.50.
Here we go for the win.
Darn. 90 cents.
Hey, so we get those, right?
Oh, no,
Oh,
it's
so
only
we don't?
$2.70.
So how? I don't know if we can get those values.
Yeah, I don't even remember. Did we get it earlier? I don't even remember.
I don't think we did.
Okay.
Okay, well, we got some money on that. Hey, you got the goats. Hey, it's giving us free spins. Making us play a little longer.
Yeah.
That's always welcome.
Oh,
Oh, all those wilds?
yeah, nothing.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Got the queens for 15 cents.
okay.
I think we might have got all the bonuses that we're going to get on this game earlier.
Oh, wild.
$1.80.
Yes.
3 times your bet. Nice.
Have you heard that goats will eat anything?
What is it?
Have you heard that goats will eat anything?
Yes, I have heard that.
Yeah.
Like they'll eat paper, right? Isn't that a thing? 75 cents. Oh, you're doing $1.50s.
Yeah, I only did
You're
one.
distracting me with goat facts, aren't you?
Goat facts.
I know what you're doing.
$1.35.
I didn't see you put it up to $1.50. Crystal's over here distracting me with goat facts.
I do another $1.50. Whoa!
Oh.
Look at that! Whoa.
$2.25.
Yes,
Do you know that Crystal will say anything to distract me?
yes. Not sure. Don't believe him, guys.
$1.50s. Oh, 2 of them.
60 cents.
I think we hit our quota for bonuses.
No, I still have hope. Come on, bonus.
Oh, at 60. Can we get it at 60? It's not looking great right now. 10 cents with the aces. Come on, give me a bonus. Give me a bonus. That's not a bonus. The game's not understanding me, Chris. Speak its language. You're a farm animal.
Yes. Speak its language. It's not working.
Oh, come on. Give us some wins.
Give me the bonus.
Oh, man. We're down to like $6.
Yeah. Oh, 2 bonuses.
Come on. We're going to get another bonus. We have to. One more bonus and we'll be satisfied.
Yes, please. Oh my gosh. The piggies.
What is it? Oh, it didn't count the pigs up top, though.
Okay.
Oh, I guess they weren't quite aligned.
We only have a few more spins. I hope we get one soon.
We're going to, Chris.
Bye.
I hope we will. I don't know if we will, but I hope we will.
Doing some 30-cent ones.
Crystal's making this stretch now.
Yes. Oh man.
What would a 30-cent bonus look like? $2?
Probably.
30 cents, maybe $10. Oh man, we have a few more. What do we get? 10 cents.
Okay, the 60-cent one.
No, then there was one spin left, unless you get 5
I'm
cents.
gonna do a 30-cent one.
Yeah. Get
Come
5
on.
cents.
No.
Oh, okay, well you have to do one more, I guess, to go right under.
All right, here we go. Be lucky.
Yes?
Yes.
Yay, 235. You still have a few more. Okay. That's a lot of wilds. Just in the right spots, too.
Yeah.
It doesn't want us to leave just yet. You gonna do 30s, 60s? What are you doing? 30? Oh, you have $2 left.
Let me do a 60-cent one.
Oh, no.
Another
$1.40.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got 10s. 10 cents.
Okay.
You could do a 90 cent.
I could do a 90-cent one. That's
Or you could do a 60 and a 30.
Okay, let's do a 60 and a 30. One
Okay.
60, here it goes.
Oh gosh, that probably wasn't the best choice. And then 130. Hey, that's even?
Here goes our 30-cent bet.
If you don't get anything. But if you get something big here. Oh, hey, we were able actually to end exactly at $50.
Look at that.
But I had fun today. This one was definitely the better game out of all the ones.
I have to
Chicken Fox, hey,
agree.
get back here, you chicken egg.
Your chicken fox.
Oh, it's cracking open, Chicken Fox. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Maybe we should do more videos like this where we have like a theme.
Yeah.
But we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.